Opening address for Chaman Law Firm Virtual Internship Program 2.0, a national mentorship initiative for the next generation of legal professionals. Good day, distinguished students, aspiring lawyers, young legal professionals, and members of the general public. My name is Charles Chukwuma Walker, Esquire. I am the managing partner of Chaman Law Firm. It gives me great pleasure to welcome you to this official presentation and introduction of Chaman Law Firm Virtual Internship Program 2.0. This program is more than just an internship program. It is more than an academic engagement. It is more than a routine training exercise. It is a mentorship-driven initiative carefully designed to contribute meaningfully to shaping development, advancement of the legal profession by equipping the new generation of lawyers with the right knowledge, practical exposure, mindset, and modern tools required to thrive in today's legal and professional environment. At Chaman Law Firm, we believe very strongly that the future of the legal profession depends not only on what is taught in the classroom, but also on how young lawyers and law students are prepared for the realities of the practice, as well as the professionalism, innovation, and service to humanity, leadership and relevance in a rapid changing world. The world is changing and a lot of things are going on, and we must continue to change with the world. It is on the strength of that conviction that I have taken it as part of my personal and professional mandate to invest within my own capacity in mentoring and training younger generation of legal minds. This is one of the ways we choose to give back to the profession and contribute to the growth of legal excellence in Nigeria and beyond. That is exactly why the Chaman Law Firm Virtual Internship Program 2.0 was established. This initiative is designed to extend opportunities beyond the walls of fiscal office. While we already run our fiscal internship program at Chaman Law Firm office, including both the 1-month program and 3 months internship program options, we recognize the need to create something broader, more accessible, and more inclusive for students and young professionals who may not be able to physically participate in office-based training. The virtual internship program was therefore created to bridge that gap. It is an opportunity for law students in universities across Nigeria, graduates who are concluding their studies, or those awaiting law school or call to bar, and even interested participants in the diaspora who desire serious legal and professional development to benefit from structured mentorship and intensive exposure without being physically present in our office. That's why this program is very important, and it's designed to meet up anyone that's, no matter your location, there will be no impediment. The Chaman Law Firm Virtual Internship Program 2.0 is a 2-month intensive mentorship and intense internship experience running for approximately 60 days. It is not a casual online gathering. It is not a social registration exercise. It is not designed for people who may want to add participation to their CV without commitment. This is a serious, structured, and result-oriented development program for serious-minded individuals who genuinely hungry to learn, grow, improve, and prepare themselves for the future of the legal profession. Let me be very clear on this point. This program is really for serious-minded participants only. It is for individuals who are intentional about their growth. It is for those who are ready to listen, learn, participate, engage, and apply themselves with discipline. It is not for casual attendance. It is not for those who simply want to register because others are registering. It is not for those who want to be counted without commitment. At Chaman Law Firm, we are not merely interested in numbers. We are interested in impact. We are interested in building people. We are interested in raising legal professionals who are sound, competent, strategic, ethical, modern, and value-driven, not just anyhow people. For that reason, this program will be carefully managed to ensure that we attract and retain only the right participants. Originally, this program was intended to be paid program because people don't take things serious. And the reason for that was simply people naturally attach more seriousness and value to what they invest on. If they pay for it, they'll take it serious. It is also observed that when some opportunities are made freely available, they are sometimes taken for granted, neglected, and treated casually. Not because they lack value, but because they came without financial commitment. However, in order to make this opportunity accessible and to give committed young people a fair chance, I've decided to make the early bird entry fee free of charge, no payments. So, for those that are genuinely interested, we'll be giving access without payments, the early bird, within 2 weeks of commencement of this program. Let it also be clearly stated that the fee of 20,000 naira will be added after the early bird, not as a profit-making measure, but as a commitment threshold. The purpose is to ensure responsibility, seriousness, and value consciousness. Some people don't take things serious until they pay. So if you are interested in joining free, register on time. Going forward, we will also carefully observe the attitude, seriousness, and participation level and conduct of those who register. This is because our objective is not just to gather registrants. Our objective is to filter, identify, and work with those who are truly ready to be impacted. Now, let me briefly speak on what this program is all about and why is it very unique from every program you must have seen. The Chaman Law Firm Virtual Internship Program 2.0 is designed to go far beyond conventional legal theory. It is built to expose participants to both foundational and evolving realities of legal practice in modern world. The training will cut across several vital areas, including practical legal knowledge, professional development, legal drafting skills, a real-life law practical exposure, business development for lawyers, for those that want to own a firm, strategic positioning, digital visibility, ICT proficiency, and technology-driven legal transformation. We have observed over time that one of the major gaps in legal development is that many students are trained to understand legal principles and procedure, but are not properly exposed to broader ecosystem that determines long-term success in practice. Many know the law, but are not taught how to build relevance. Many understand cases, but are not guided on how to build competence, value, visibility, and client trust, professional structure, and sustainability in changing marketplace. This program is designed to address that gap. Participants will gain exposure not only to legal practice and drafting, no, but also to the business side of the profession. You must have the business sense now. They will understand that being a successful lawyer in this generation requires more than courtroom knowledge. It requires strategic thinking. It requires communication skill. You must talk well. It requires branding, packaging. It requires client management. It requires discipline. It requires digital adaptation. It requires commercial awareness. And above all, it requires readiness to evolve. We shall therefore be taking participants through areas such as legal writing and drafting, practice orientation, professional ethics, client relationship, business development strategies, digital marketing for legal professionals, ICT tools for lawyers, practical exposure to relevant software and systems that can improve efficiency and productivity in the modern legal work. Very importantly, this program will also help participants open their eyes to the growing intersection between law and technology. The legal profession is changing every day. The world is also changing. And the next decade will bring even more transformation. Artificial intelligence, automation, digital system, remote work, online dispute resolution, legal tech platforms, smart research tools, and data-driven practice models are already influencing how law is taught, practiced, delivered, and experienced globally. Any young lawyer or law student who fails to understand this shift risks becoming outdated before even reaching the peak of practice. This is why this internship program is not only about what the law was, it is also about what the law is becoming. We want to help participants understand how to position themselves for the future. We want them to become lawyers who are not intimidated by chance, but prepared for it. Lawyers who do not merely react to innovation, but learn how to use it responsibly and strategically. Lawyers who understand both the nobility of the profession and the necessity of adaptation to technology. This is one of the reasons this program will be robust, intensive, and transformational. And beyond knowledge, we also hope to build confidence, discipline, and clarity. We want participants to leave this program with sharper knowledge, having more legal consciousness, and a stronger professional mindset, better communication capacity, deeper awareness of opportunities in legal field, and a better understanding of how to navigate the journey from student to practitioner with intention and excellence. For those who are in universities, this program will help you begin to see the profession beyond textbooks. It's not all about textbooks. For those who are nearing graduation, it will help you transition with greater awareness and preparedness. Then for those who are waiting law school, or you have gone to law school, you are waiting to be called to the bar, it will help you approach the next phase with maturity and strategic vision. For those in diaspora or outside the conventional training environment, it will offer you a structured connection to a practical and evolving legal mentorship experience rooted in relevance and impact. This is not just about learning. It is about becoming prepared for law in real life. At Chaman Law Firm, we are passionate about raising people who will not only succeed professionally, but who will also carry substance, values, excellence, and decisions into profession. We believe the legal profession must continue to produce not only brilliant minds, but also solution providers, nation builders, thought leaders, innovators, and professionals who are capable of making meaningful contributions to the society. That is the spirit behind this program. It's not just a mere program. It is well crafted and structured. It will be better than 1.0. So if you are someone who is genuinely ready to learn, ready to be stretched, ready to grow, ready to be mentored, ready to take your future in the legal profession seriously, then this program is for you. But if you are looking for something casual, convenient, or seriousness, or very symbolic, then this may not be the right platform for you. Please do not register for it. We are looking for participants who are intentional, participants who are teachable, participants who are disciplined, participants who are ready to engage this opportunity with seriousness and gratitude. To everyone who will be part of this edition, I want to say in advance, welcome to a platform of growth, exposure, challenge, learning, and transformation. And to the wider public, I want to say this clearly. Chaman Law Firm remains committed not only to legal service delivery, but also to legal development, mentorship, and meaningful contribution to the profession. This virtual internship program 2.0 is one of the ways we are choosing to make meaningful contribution count in the profession. I encourage every eligible and serious-minded law student, graduates, and aspiring legal practitioners, and young professionals who desire real growth to take advantage of this opportunity. Do not join it because it is popular. It is everywhere on the internet. Join because you are ready, Do not register because others are registering. Register because you are committed to becoming better. Do not approach this as a mere program. Approach it as a platform that can shape your direction, expand your horizon, and evaluate your understanding of what is serious in legal profession. Thank you for your time, your interest, and your willingness to grow. I look forward to receiving and working with brilliant, disciplined, and promising participants from across Nigeria and beyond. Once again, I am Charles Chukwumakwoka, Esquire, the managing partner, Chaman Law Firm. And this is the Chaman Law Firm Virtual Internship Program 2.0. You are welcome. Thank you for watching. Bye for now.